Design your way to financial freedom. Have you ever looked at a logo and thought, wow, that's creative? What if I told you that you could get paid to design those logos? Graphic design isn't just about creating art, it's about helping businesses stand out. Whether it's a sleek logo or an eye-catching brochure, your designs can earn you a steady income while unleashing your creativity. Stick with me till the end, and I'll share tips to help you land clients and build a thriving career as a freelance graphic designer. Yeah, it's amazing how a well-designed logo can make a business shine. And getting paid for doing what I love, that's the dream. Why businesses need graphic designers. In today's competitive market, businesses need unique visuals to attract customers. Logos and brochures play a critical role in branding. Here's why graphic designers are in demand. Logos define identity. A memorable logo helps customers recognize a brand instantly. Brochures communicate value. They present products and services in a visually appealing way. High-demand startups, small businesses, and even established brands need fresh designs regularly. As a graphic designer, you can tap into this demand and earn by helping businesses create their visual identity. Skills you need to succeed. To excel in graphic design, you'll need these skills. 1. Design principles. Understand color theory, typography, and layout. 2. Software proficiency. Master tools like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or Canva. 3. Creativity. Bring fresh, unique ideas to your designs. 4. Attention to detail. Ensure every element is perfectly aligned and balanced. 5. Client communication. Translate a client's vision into a design they love. Even if you're a beginner, you can learn these skills through online courses and practice. Tools you'll need as a graphic designer. Getting started doesn't require a massive investment. Here's what you need. 1. Computer or laptop. A device with decent processing power. 2. Design software, Adobe Creative Suite, Canva, or Affinity Designer. 3. Graphic tablet for precise drawing and illustration. 4. Stock libraries. Access resources like Unsplash or FreePic for images and icons. 5. Online portfolio. Showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. These tools will help you create professional quality designs. Here's a step-by-step process to create standout designs. Logos. 1. Research the brand. Understand the client's industry values and target audience. 2. Sketch ideas. Start with rough concepts and refine them based on feedback. 3. Use simplicity. Keep the design clean and timeless. 4. Choose colors wisely. Align the color palette with the brand's message. 5. Finalize the design. Export in multiple formats for various uses. Brochures. 1. Plan the layout. Decide the number of pages and content structure. 2. Highlight key information. Make the client's message clear and concise. 3. Use visual hierarchy. Guide the reader's eyes with strategic placement of elements. 4. Add branding elements. Incorporate logos, fonts, and brand colors consistently. 5. Print-ready design. Ensure proper resolution and file format for printing. With practice, these steps will become second nature. Landing clients is crucial for success. Here's where you can find them. Freelance platforms. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, and 99 Designs to showcase your skills. Social media. Share your designs on Instagram or Pinterest to attract potential clients. Networking. Join local business groups or attend events to meet entrepreneurs. Cold outreach. Email small businesses with examples of how you can improve their branding. Referrals. Ask satisfied clients to recommend you to others. Building relationships and showcasing your work will help you gain long-term clients. Earnings in graphic design vary depending on the project and your experience. Logo design. $50 to $500 per logo for beginners, $1,000 or more for experienced designers. Brochure design, $100 to $300 for a simple brochure, $500 or more for complex designs. Monthly retainers. Charge businesses a flat fee for ongoing graphic design needs. As you gain skills and credibility, your rates can grow significantly. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Freelancing isn't without its challenges. Here's how to handle them. Tough clients. Set clear expectations and offer a limited number of revisions. Creative blocks seek inspiration from design communities like Pinterest. Creative block seek inspiration from design communities like Behance. Competition. Stand out by offering unique designs and excellent customer service. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow and refine your process. Scaling your graphic design business.
Once you establish yourself, take your business to the next level.
1. Specialize. Focus on niches like healthcare, real estate, or tech startups. 2. Expand services. Offer branding packages that include logos, brochures, and social media graphics. 3. Hire assistants. Delegate basic tasks to handle more projects. 4. Build an agency. Collaborate with other freelancers to take on larger clients. Scaling your business will allow you to earn more while working efficiently. Why graphic design is a long-term opportunity. As long as businesses exist, they'll need graphic designers to represent their brands. Whether it's logos, brochures, or digital marketing materials, the demand for creative, professional designs will always be high. This makes graphic design a sustainable and rewarding career choice. Your creative journey awaits. Graphic design isn't just a job, it's a way to turn your creativity into a meaningful and profitable career. Whether you're designing logos, brochures, or full branding packages, the possibilities are endless. Want to explore more freelancing ideas? Click the link on the screen to watch my next video, where I'll share more tips and strategies for building a successful online career. Let's create your dream life together.